Hey guys, it's Mason. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to adjust your fluidization for your hoppers, for your 1, 2, 8, or however big your hopper is, for the Electron bear kits, for your Pro V2 and Master bear kits. It's slightly different than the box feed version because you have a slightly different assembly for your air filter and your regulator, so I figured I'd show you how to do that. So these are the hoppers I know some people struggle with to fluidize. The main issue is they end up over fluidizing, and that causes some spitting and surging. So I will hopefully clear it up in this video on how to fluidize these units, so you're not having that problem here. So to show you, this is what the filter and regulator setup is for the Pro V2. For the Master, there will be a solenoid that's right here that'll plug into the back of the unit there. But regardless, they work the same. So our regulator here, we're going to set that once we get air on it to about here, right in the green. And then we're going to control our fluidization from this flow valve here. That allows us to be much more fine point and accurate with the amount of air that we're sending into the hopper so we don't accidentally over fluidize it. So let's get air on it and I'll show you guys how. Now that we have air on it, you can see we're right in the green for our main air. Now for our first regulator, we're going to go ahead and take this one to the green. So we're going to twist it clockwise, and you see it start to rise. Once we get it in the green, it's all from the flow valve from here on out. So you can see we are not fluidizing yet. Then we are going to slowly twist this outside knob until we get the correct amount of airflow that we're looking for. So twisting it counterclockwise. Check it. You can see here, maybe shake it up a little bit. And that's probably good. So just a small amount of bubbles, not too crazy, is really what you're looking for. Honestly, that might be a little too much. So I'll come back over here, tighten it up just a hair, and look at it again. So I don't know how well you guys can see that. So you see we're fluidizing pretty good. If we were to take our hopper lid off, I'm gonna do that now, you can see what it looks like. So this is what I like. You know, we could honestly turn it down just a hair more if we wanted to. And a little more to the right, clockwise, and you see it start to go back down. But this nice liquidy, you know, feel here you're getting there. That's what you want. So screw our lid back on. Kind of hard with one hand. And then now we're ready. Again, to show you guys what is a really good fluidization, you see just a few bubbles here and there. That's all you need for these small hoppers. Just enough to keep it from standing still and becoming more solid. So, I'll raise you up a little bit. And now we are ready to spray. So I will change our air settings. So we have a nice, super small powder cloud going right now. And there we go. So this is something I would like for most projects. This is the kind of powder cloud I seem to spray out a lot. But yeah, and then we can also, you know, increase it as you would, like this, even at the high end, no spitting, surging, anything like that. So there we go. And just to show you one last time, you know, where our powder is sitting at as far as fluidization, just some bubbles here and there right at the top. That's really what we're looking for these small hoppers like this. So once you have it set, most hoppers will work at this same fluidization level. Some powders will vary, especially your primers or your metallics, anything that's a little heavier. But thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys learned something, and I'll see you next time.